The game card cannot read. Please remove and reinsert it. If this message appears repeatedly, please check the following page on your smart device or PC. Okay, so let's troubleshoot a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo Switch Lite that cannot read the game card any longer. So it could be multiple reasons why it won't read the game card in here. And again, this will work with any Nintendo Switch model, the OLED or whatever model that you have. So what I want you to do while your Nintendo Switch is powered on, I want you to remove the game and then reinsert it. And I know that's you've done that before, but try that 2 or 3 times. Put a little bit of firmness into it. Don't push it down too hard to where you'd break it, but just put a little bit of firmness to it and actually try inserting it with an angle, almost to like where you're going into this direction, to almost to like an angle, and then tell me if you're able to get it to read. Next, what I want you to do is power it all the way completely down. So you're going to power it all the way completely down, and then what I want you to do is use either compressed air that you would have like in a bottle that you can get like at Lowe's or Home Depot, or you can use a hair dryer, but just make sure you're powered all the way down. And what I want you to do is to blow cold air into the port where you'd put your game in. Okay, now restart it and then tell me if that works. So we're basically just going over hardware issues right now. Sometimes the headphones will trip the auxiliary next to the game card, which won't make it read. So especially if you've been using your headphones a lot in and out, or if they're in there currently right now, what I want you to do is I want you to plug it in firmly, the headphones, right? Plug it in firmly. Take it out. Plug it in firmly. And you might need to twist it a little bit. So sometimes what will happen is the headphones will trip out the auxiliary port and make it short circuit where the game card would go in. Okay? Power all the way down. And then tell me if you're able to use your game card. Now, this might seem like common sense, but remove the game card that's not working and insert another game card. And see if the other game card works. If it does, good. Take the good game card out and now put in the bad game card. And see if the bad game card will work now after you put in the good one. And then tell me if that works. If you got one card that will read, another one that will read, then you know that the issue is with the actual game. So what I want you to do is take, like, if you could get 90% rubbing alcohol, but you want to get something like this that you can get like at Walgreens or CVS. And what I want you to do is just get a little small conservative dose of rubbing alcohol. And then I want you to get your game and then wipe the little gold parts with the rubbing alcohol. And then wipe it off with a tissue. And then restart your computer, insert it, and then see if the game will read. Okay, now, after you did that, what I want you to do, if that doesn't work, I want you to do a system update. And to do the system update, it's pretty easy. You're going to go to Settings from the home page. Settings. You got to, of course, tap that 3 times. And then you're going to go to System, which is down here, System, right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click System Update. And then by doing a System Update, that may fix your issue. And then restart the switch and then tell me if that'll work. Now what I want you to do is reset the cache. Basically that's kind of like the memory of it. So what I want you to do is go back to Home. Go to Settings again. Then go to System. And then what I want you to do here is go all the way down to where you see Formatting Options. Click Formatting Options. I want you to click Reset Cache. And then you choose which user you are to reset the cache. So go ahead and do that. and then tell me if that will works. Now, if you've tried all that, restart it. And if it's not a Lite, go ahead and take your joysticks out. Take your joysticks out, power it all the way down, and then I want you to charge, make it 100% charged, and just keep it plugged in for a good 3 to 4 hours. Restart it, and then see if your game works. If it doesn't work, and other games work, then you know it's that game. Don't try to keep putting in a bad game, because it could damage your Nintendo Switch. It might just be something that hopefully you got a warranty on it, or you can take it back, see if you can take it back, or just purchase another one. Alright, if I helped you, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.